When you're thinking about designing for tin, the best thing to think about is that you're afforded a metallic right from the word go. You're not having to think about using metallic after you've printed, so your metallic is there. It's pointless taking a tin and covering it with ink. What is the point of using a tin? So use your tin with your different finishes. The different finishes we have, you can have a look on this one, is a great example of an opaque finish. So you've got a white ink printing underneath your Pantone color. We use Pantone colors because they're the industry standard. Your customers generally know what their Pantone colors are. And here we've also got a metallic. So using the metallic with the opaque ink give you a lovely effect. On this tin, we've just used a metallic, a plain one color metallic with no white backing on it, and then obviously the emboss. And this is a great example of the use of metallic gloss varnished and metallic matte varnished. So using matte and gloss varnishes together here, together with white backing, so you get an opaque feel there, it's embossed, and with all those features you get an award-winning tin. This tin is basically just metallics as well, but we've got a holographic effect. Now the holographic is a heat foil like you would use on paper that we can apply on tin. You can apply it in areas. There are constraints. Obviously you can't use tiny little spots, and it's better not to do an all-over design in that, but to use it in areas like in the logo, on a lid, in areas like that, it's cost effective and it enhances your product. This is an example of a perforation. You don't have to it doesn't have to be uniformly perforated. You can perforate shapes. You can't obviously perforate a logo as full like that, but you would perforate with little spots. But if you wanted an area like this bottle, you could come up with your own design of perforation. Over here we've got a pillow emboss with a beautiful soft touch varnish. It enhances the product. It gives you a feeling of premiumability. And then the Ballantine's tin, using again the matte gloss varnishes. We've used emboss on there, we've used opaque ink, we've used gold ink. So those are just a few of the finishes that you can use.